Hey everybody, my name is Sam. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my FabFitFun box. So FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription. I think it's about $50, $49.99 every 3 months, and it's a lifestyle subscription box. So you get a bunch of things from skincare to health products to things for your home. And a whole bunch of things, and it's definitely worth it. I have been part of FabFitFun for maybe a year now. I've had a couple of boxes from them already, so I really do enjoy it. And usually you can, depending on your membership, you can customize some of the things in your box. This is, I think, the first box that I didn't customize because I totally forgot to, but usually you get to pick a few items that you definitely want in your box, and it's guaranteed that you'll get them. I didn't do that this month, so everything in this box is a complete surprise to me, so I'm really excited to open it and share with you guys what I got. So let's get started. So this is the cover of the box. You can open it up. Everything's gonna fall out. Yep. When you open it up, the first things, I'm just gonna put this down. The first things in the box are coupon codes. So this is a coupon to FabFitFun to get $15 off your first box. So I'll leave the code in the description box below, but if you want to screenshot it, there it is. And then you also get an $80 gift card to HelloFresh. I highly doubt that I'm going to use this. I get these all the time. In almost every box we get some sort of gift card or percentage off of HelloFresh, and I never use it. My girlfriend and I cook all the time. Well, mostly she cooks all the time, so we never really have the need to use HelloFresh. But it is nice to have it in the box. And then the other thing that we get is a magazine. So the person on the cover of this month's magazine is Megan Trainor. And inside the magazine, it will tell you the different selections of things that you could get in the box. And it tells you about them, the price, their like retail price, and it tells you about the products themselves, and it tells you also about, there's other articles in here, but a lot of it has to do with the products and how people use the products. So that's what's in this magazine. And then opening it up, the first thing that I see is this, which is After Spa hair towel. So this is just a hair wrap, basically. Let me see if I can open this without having to tear into it like a beast. I can't. Okay. Scissors, scissors, scissors. This is a hair towel, and all you do is you flip your head and you put this on the back of your head like this, wrap it up and flip it up and then pin it. So it's pretty easy to use. I'm not one that uses hair towels all that much. I kind of just let my hair air dry. I put product in it and let it air dry. I have curly hair, so I really just, I never really use hair towels. So I will probably give this to my girlfriend or my sister, but I'm probably not gonna get any use out of it. And that retails for, let's see, it retails for $18. Okay, sure. The next thing that I see is the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair Instant Visible Repair Protects from Heat Styling. Something else that I don't do. I hardly ever apply heat on my hair. I think the last time I straightened my hair or applied heat to it was when I got it cut and it was just blown out. So I really only do that once every 6 months or once a year. So I don't really need a heat protectant. I can't really smell this. I don't like the scent of this at all. It smells like, I hate to say it, but an old lady. I'm not a fan, but I do know that my sister might get some use out of this because she does apply heat to her hair. She straightens her hair all the time. She too also has curly hair, but always chooses to wear it straight and applies a lot of heat to her hair. So this is something that I think she would enjoy. And that retails for $30. So, and it says that is infused with quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy, instantly repair and protect your hair from heat styling. I don't really need that. But the next thing in the box from Human & Kind is the body souffle, and this is something that everybody got, and I think this is also something that everybody got in their box. And this is a body souffle, so it's just a body lotion. So let's see. I'm just gonna try it out really quick. It does smell good. It is a light scent. It's almost like a cucumber melon scent. It does feel really nice, I will say that. It feels amazing. It's not greasy or anything like that. It does feel really good though. But it does smell really nice. This I might keep. This I might use. This I'll definitely keep for myself. The next thing in the box is the Juice Cleanse Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. That is really intense. That's very potent. It smells good, but it almost smells like, it smells just like sour candy, like the sour straws. Oh my God, yes, it smells like the green sour straws. Oh my God, that makes me want them so bad. And they're like coated in sugar like the sour straws. It smells so good now that I know it smells like candy. But yeah, so this retails for $16 and you only get 2, 4, 6, 8 cubes. That's it. You only get 8 cubes. So basically it's $2 a cube because it's 16 bucks. And it says crush 1 cube into hand and gently massage onto wet skin in circular motions in bath or shower. So it is an exfoliating scrub. But I don't know how much. I guess you just get 8 uses out of this. That's it. So I don't know. I'll try it out and see if it's worth it, but I don't think that's something that I would repurchase on my own. The next thing in the box is by Bobble Bar. It's the Farrah ear crawlers. So they are little dangly earrings. I do have my ears pierced, but I am allergic to fake jewelry, so it is hard to like wear costume jewelry, although I hate that because I'm gonna put these on anyway. Like, let's be honest. I'm gonna try to put these on. Oh. So I guess you can wear them down like this, or you can turn them and wear them on your ear. I have the fattest earlobes ever, so this might not work. Oh, she's pretty. I'm gonna put them on, and then when my ears start to bleed at the end of this video, I'll hate myself for doing that. So let's do it, because I think they look adorable. I love them. I'm so mad I can't wear fake jewelry. Like, it's so frustrating. Because literally in 10 minutes my ear size is going to double. And I'm not going to care. Okay, I can't get this one in. And it's already starting to hurt on the other side. Oh, God. Story. That earlobe's in mine. It's painful. It's so painful. Oh my God. Ow. You know what? We're just gonna wear one earring because this one's already starting to hurt. We're gonna wear the one earring and get through this. Okay. Those retail for. Those are $34. So So not bad. I mean, I would pay $34 for this. They honestly kind of look like a constellation on your ear. I think they're kind of cute. So the next thing in the box is by Aromatherapy Associates. It's the Deep Relax Roller Ball. It's called Restful and Tranquil. Let's see. It does smell very relaxing. It's not my favorite kind of aromatherapy type scent. I prefer like eucalyptus and spearmint or lavender. This doesn't smell like that at all, but it doesn't smell bad. Again, something my girlfriend is definitely probably going to take from me because she loves all things aromatherapy. And this roller ball retails for $29. It says zen out wherever you are with relaxing blend of vetiver, chamomile, and sandalwood. I have no idea what vetiver is. Not at all. The chamomile and sandalwood I know, and it does smell really good. So she'll probably take that from me, and that retails again for $29. So the next thing in the box are these mystery items, which again, like I said, you can pick and choose things. If you don't choose, they will send you mystery items, which is what I got stuck with. I'm just gonna show this off because I think it's so cute. My ear is already swelling. That's great. It's fantastic. So, ow. Why did I do this to myself? The first thing is by Dermalect. It's the Runway Ready Luxury Foot Treatment. And it says a rich, luxurious formulation that promotes a retextured, smoother, and silky feel for dry, rough, and chapped skin on the feet. Application: smooth on twice daily, morning and evening. It's sealed, so let's see what it smells like. That is kind of cool. It doesn't smell like anything. Oh, it almost smells like charcoal, but I can't tell if that's the bottle itself or the product. But I do love feet masks or foot masks, so this is something that I will definitely try. And that is a mystery item, so it doesn't tell me what it retails for at all. So that was a complete waste. But it could be from $42 and up. So the next thing is by Dr. Brandt. This is another mystery item, and it is the Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with chlorophyll. And I love Dr. Brandt products. I think they're really great. This is something that I will definitely be keeping. It's also sealed, so let's see what it smells like. I feel like skincare is like hit or miss with the scent. I can't smell anything, which I prefer because I prefer an unscented face wash cleanser, but this is something that I will definitely be keeping. And that also doesn't tell me what it retails for because it's a mystery item, and mystery items are different for everybody, so they retail between $42 and up. That's all I know. And the last thing in the box is this little bag that looks like a cosmetic bag. I have no idea what it is. It is a Kate Spade item. Not much of a fan of that brand, but it says out to lunch, so I'm assuming that it is a lunch box. Let's see. It is, yes, it is a Kate Spade lunch tote. It says ditch the paper bag and opt for this cute lunch box, which features an insulated interior to keep your food cool. So it does have an insulated interior, but honestly, this is tiny. Like, this is like, what am I gonna get in here? Like, I bring groceries with me to work. This is not gonna do anything for me. It's adorable, yes. I'm probably gonna use it for makeup, but Like what, look, like that's one thing in there. Like I feel like I can't even get a Tupperware in here. It's just not, it doesn't look roomy at all. Like, I will probably use this, yes, as a cosmetic bag. It retails for $30 and it fits like 2 things probably. I do like it and I will use it, but probably for makeup. And that's it, and it says out to lunch on the front of it. And yeah, so that was everything in the box that I got this season, for the fall season. And I'm actually quite pleasantly pleased with everything that I got. I really do. I'm very excited about this product, the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic Cleanser. I'm also excited about the Body Souffle from Human & Kind. I am excited to try these out, but I highly doubt that I would repurchase these on my own. So that, I mean, in the end, I do want to try it. And these 2 things I'm going to give to my sister, and this I'm going to give to my girlfriend, along with the hair towel. And the earrings, I finally got this one on, and as you can see, my ears are already starting to swell and it hurts. So I'm probably gonna take these off like in 2 seconds, but other than that, that was everything that I got, and I'm very happy. Oh yeah, and the lunchbox, which I'm probably gonna use for makeup. But other than that, that was everything in the box. And yeah, if you like this video or want to see more videos like this, then just give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.